Happening today, Hamilton County Commissioners will vote on whether or not to declare racism a public health crisis. County leaders first introduced the idea in a resolution at the end of June after weeks of protests against police brutality and racial injustice. WCPO 9 News reporter Sina Gabra-Ebb spoke with county leaders and local health advocates about the impact that this could have on health disparities in the tri-state. Good morning, Sina.
Good morning, Tiki. I spoke with Commissioner Victoria Parks, who says race has a clear impact on mortality. And this resolution not only declares racism a health crisis, it also lists specific steps Hamilton County can take to combat that crisis. The first of which is active bystander training and implicit bias training for law enforcement, which the Hamilton County Sheriff has agreed to. There's also an educational component. The Freedom Center would put together a curriculum that local employers could use for diversity, inclusion, and equity training, starting with all Hamilton County employees. And for the first time ever, Hamilton County would also conduct a disparity study to identify policies that are contributing to this crisis. Now, Kiana Trudeau with the Health Collaborative says she hopes this step from county leaders will lead to hospitals and other local institutions addressing their part in this issue.
Populations of individuals that are dying at higher rates than other individuals, that's what puts it at a crisis mode. When we see people being diagnosed, with COVID-19 at much higher rates than other races, that's a crisis. When we start seeing that our Black babies are dying sooner and more often from infant mortality than others, that's what really makes it a crisis.
And this resolution also moves for the expansion of the Office of Economic Inclusion to improve the access minority communities have to financial resources. And again, Hamilton County Commissioners will vote on this resolution during its virtual meeting today at 1 p.m.